हेलो एवरीवन
एंड वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं बुडापेस्ट आइटिनरी पर। तो अराउंड लास्ट ईयर, आई मीन नॉट अराउंड लास्ट ईयर अराउंड दिस टाइम हम लोग बुडापेस्ट गए थे फॉर अ वीकेंड ट्रिप ऑफ 2 nights and 3 days। पर तभी हम लोग यूट्यूब क्रिएशन में नहीं थे, तो वी डोंट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ वीडियोज विच आर इन लाइक अ लैंडस्केप मोड। पर हमारे पास बहुत सारे फोटोज और वीडियोज है विच वी विल एड इन दिस वीडियो सो दैट इट इज interesting, but we thought that we should share the itinerary with you guys. तो अभी we are going to talk about how we went about it और थोड़े places add करेंगे, tips add करेंगे, सारे links जो भी है description box में दिए होंगे, and at the end of the video we'll add like a few slides for the tips.
So please subscribe our channel as well.
And watch till end of course.
So हम लोग फर्स्ट डे जब हम लैंड हुए थे अराउंड 11 o'clock और हमारा चेक इन था 2 o'clock. सो लैंड होते ही हम लोग जब सिटी में आए हमको पार्लियामेंट दिख गया था एंड वी वर स्टेइंग राइट अपोजिट टू द पार्लियामेंट. और वहाँ से हमको ऑफ कोर्स व्यू मिल ही रहा था, पर हमने थोड़ा टाइम पास किया सो दैट वी रीच आवर चेक इन टाइम. सो वंस वी चेक्ड इन वी गॉट फ्रेशन अप एंड then what did we do?
So, but I'll rewind a little bit to what you said.
Okay.
So, from the airport, we took a bus, which is a public transport, which goes to the main city.
It is called 100E.
Yeah. The bus number is 100.
The bus number is 100E.
हाँ, वो लेके हम सिटी सेंटर पहुंचे और सिटी सेंटर में पहले तो हमने फैशन स्ट्रीट पे ऐसे ही स्ट्रोल किया, वहाँ पे कुछ मिल्क शेक वगैरह लिया था. उसके बाद हमने वहाँ पे देखा सेंट स्टीफेंस बेसिलिका, which is very beautiful, and also the German German occupied memorial. Yeah.
Okay. And this we did along with our luggage. So we had one backpack each.
Yeah.
So we had our luggage with us before our check-in. From there we directly went to our hotel. We checked in. Then again around 4 o'clock we came out. Where did we go?
Again we saw the so the one thing about Budapest is that it is divided by a river, and one side is Buda and one side is Pest. Few of the attractions are on one side and few of the attractions are on the other side. We came out in the evening and then again we saw from the parliament from the opposite side.
Like we went near to the parliament.
Yeah, and of course you have to check it, the parliament in the morning and the night when there is all the lights are on. And again for that day we went to the shoes on the Danube, which is the river which I mentioned divides Buda and Pest. वहाँ पे वो river है Danube river. तो वहाँ पे shoes है made out of iron, around 60 pairs of shoes, and they were built in memorial of 800
Jews that were killed during World War II.
Yeah, so that is one attraction over there, and that's it. So this is what we did on the first day. We had met one of Saurabh's friend for dinner that night.
We met Vikram, who is there in Budapest.
Yeah.
So he studied in the same university as I did in Sweden.
So that's actually how our first day was. And the second day of the trip was very packed. तो हम लोग ने शुरुआत की जाने by going to Fisherman's Bastion.
Early in the morning at 7 o'clock. No, 6:30.
नहीं.
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. But तभी भी it was crowded.
Yeah,
and
we were still late.
Yeah, we were still late because a lot of tours come over there. तो फिर भी लेट हो ही गया था हमें, but we still got good pictures of from the Fisherman's Bastion. After that we went to have breakfast at a place called Babka Delhi. अभी वहाँ पे बहुत सारे cafes है, but this specific place is too good. It was actually recommended.
One of my colleagues recommended me.
Yeah, and it is amazing. It is for sure recommended. If you are planning a trip, you should surely go there. So after having breakfast हम लोग गए थे सेंट्रल मार्केट. मुझे वहाँ जाना था स्पेसिफिकली बिकॉज मैंने एक रील में देखा था कि वहाँ पे लैवेंडर की चीजें बहुत मिलती, लाइक द एक्चुअल लैवेंडर आई मीन. बट वो ही शॉप वो पूरे मार्केट में बंद था उस एक वीक के लिए. सो अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी डिडंट रियली गेट एनीथिंग मच देयर. बट वहाँ पे आई थिंक इन ऑल ओवर बुडापेस्ट यू गेट रियली गुड ऑरेंज जूस. अ कोल्ड प्रेस orange juice is very good, and we had been around this time, so it was that it was very hot there, so the orange juice was like a savior for us. And after the Central Market we came back home, rested, and after that we went for the most happening thing, or not the happening thing, but most the thing
Attractive thing.
of Budapest, yes, was the thermal bath. And we had specifically chosen the Széchenyi thermal bath, and it was an amazing experience. हमारी एंट्री कुछ 4 बजे थी in the evening, and it was open till 4 till 8 o'clock. And you have a lot of different pools inside the thermal bath. You have like a hot pool, you have like a cold pool, you have like a sauna where you have like salt
Wet
present,
sauna as well as
dry sauna. And then you, of course, you have the big pool जो बहुत famous है, जहाँ के pictures बहुत आते रहते हैं. But it is very beautiful and it is 100% a must do thing. उसी थर्मल बाथ में एक और चीज होती है आफ्टर 8 o'clock, विच इज कॉल्ड दी पार्टी. मतलब वो पूल्स में पार्टी, बट उसकी
होल नाइट पार्टी चलती है until 4 o'clock in the morning.
या तो वो हमने नहीं किया था, बट उसका उसके टिकट्स आर बुक फ्रॉम नॉट द नॉर्मल वेबसाइट. सो यस, लाइक आई मेंशन्ड,
There is another website called sparty.com.
Yeah, so
you
all
can
the-
book from there.
Yeah, and all the links are mentioned in the description box, so you can go check that. After that we came home, came back to the hotel, and then for that night we went to the Ruins Bar, right?
Yes.
Do you want to tell a little more about the Ruins Bar?
Ruins bar is basically you enter through one entrance and then you have multiple bars inside that one bar. So you have to keep walking through the broken rooms and broken walls, and you reach one of the other bars, and every bar has different theme kind of. Is it called as theme?
Not theme. The theme itself is Ruin Bar because it is
But music is different.
Yeah, music is different, and like he said, there are like different rooms altogether.
Yeah. Many celebrities also go there from India.
Yeah. And so this was what our second day looked like. Second day was packed. So now we are coming to the third day, and which was the final day. तो हमारी return flight थी around 3 o'clock. तो हमें airport at least 1 o'clock पहुंचना था. And airport को कितना time लगता है city में से? I think
40 minutes लगते
40 minutes लगते. तो
By
we had
bus.
to go to the city center again at least by 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
So, and we had decided to go to New York Cafe Budapest, and it is said to be the most beautiful cafe in the world, which I agree it is.
It
but
is.
वो इतना अभी इंस्टाग्रामेबल प्लेस हो गया है कि वहाँ पे हमें लाइन में खड़ा रहना पड़ा अराउंड 45 to 50 minutes. और हम
Just to enter that cafe.
Yeah, just to enter that cafe. And we had also gone little late because पिछले दिन रात को हमें लेट हुआ था, तो we had decided not to hurry and get up. It opens around 7 o'clock. You can surely check the timings if you are planning to go there. But we had reached there a little late because we were late, and हमें खड़ा रहना पड़ा था लाइन में, and it was so cut to cut for us कि हमने we had put a time limit for ourselves कि अगर ये time तक हम अंदर नहीं है तो हम लाइन छोड़ के निकल जाने वाले थे. But luckily we entered, and yeah, it is, like I said, indeed the most beautiful cafe in the world. It looks like a palace. But what do you have to say about the food?
The food was quite good. The service is very nice. They are very fast in service. As soon as you sit, your menu is there. Some or the other waiter will come to you to ask what do you want.
In fact, I think we had took more time to choose.
We took more time. That person came 2 times on our table.
Yeah. Actually, why we took long time was also they have timings for their options are not that many, and again, like the breakfast menu starts from I think 7 till 12, and then there is a lunch menu from 12 to 3. You can see their menu on their website. हमने वीडियो बनाने से पहले चेक किया था, थोड़े ऑप्शंस और ऐड हो चुके हैं उनके मेन्यू में.
There is something called Indian style as well. When we were there was no Indian style.
Yes.
But what breakfast we had was really nice.
Yeah, it was pancakes and coffee, right?
Coffee.
Yeah, because a lot of options when we went were red meat, which we don't eat.
Yeah.
And there was no chicken options, and what else? There was not very good vegetarian option. I think कुछ salad type
There
वाला
was
option.
egg option, but it was half cooked.
Yeah. So we just selected the pancakes, and with the pancake they give a small cookie, which was good. It was not that bad, but yeah, it is mostly for the aesthetics and for the pictures.
And then we came out from New York Cafe and we rushed to the bus stop and we rushed to the airport. And then we took some rest at the airport because we reached around 1 hour before our flight. We finished our check-ins and security check-ins 1 hour before our flight.
Yeah, but yeah, so this was how we had planned our trip. We will surely add some tips at the end, and I think few must do things is like you should eat the chimney cake, try an orange juice at any juice parlor there. There are a lot of cold pressed juices over there. And Budapest is famous for another thing, which was the chain bridge. हम लोग वहाँ पे गए नहीं थे, but we could see it like anywhere in the city. You have to cross that bridge. So
Yeah.
we had crossed that bridge in the bus or the tram.
That bridge is there in Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam.
Yeah, in the last shot.
Aishwarya Rai walks on that bridge.
Yeah, in the end in that movie. And of course Budapest is there in lot of movies, Bollywood movies. Oh, we forgot to mention, we also went to the Hero Square, which is near the thermal bath. It is literally like 2 minutes walking distance from the thermal bath, but it was under construction or renovation. They were trying to maintain it. So एक side बंद था उसका, but we saw the Hero Square there.
We also tried langos.
Oh, my
where you have
most
the bread,
favorite, my
sour
most
cream,
favorite.
Where you have a bread, sour cream on it, and then lots of cheese, and it's so yummy.
It's very yummy. It's the best thing you should eat. You should eat like for 200% eat it when you are in Budapest. And I think you get it mostly over there only, right?
I think you get it mostly in Central Europe.
In Central Europe, yeah.
I haven't been to many places in Central Europe,
but
so when we go there, we'll definitely show you.
Yeah.
So that's it. If you have any questions, please comment below. We are happy to answer all the questions that you have. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you. So wait, my wife wants to add something else.
So basically, this is like a perfect itinerary if you are flying from somewhere within Europe. So दो nights and 3 दिन is like perfect. But if you're coming from India or somewhere else, so maybe you can add Budapest as a part of your trip, because generally you tend to do like a Europe trip, and I don't know if many people do Budapest, but yeah, for sure, is like a visit, like, you can visit this place. It's really beautiful. So that's all I wanted to say.